Morning children, now we are going to see question number 12 in exercise 10.2. See, look at the question. Question is y equal to sin x divided by x square. You are asked to differentiate this with respect to x. Okay. So differentiation of left hand side is dy by dx and the right hand side is in fraction form. Then what you should do? Then we should apply quotient rule. Right here, quotient rule. Okay, what is quotient rule? U by v the whole dash equal to vu dash minus uv dash by v square. Is it not? Okay. Now u, what is u? The numerator in our problem is called u and let it be sin x and the denominator is v. V is equal to x square. Differentiation of u is u dash. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. And differentiation of v is v dash, differentiation of x square is 2x power, that is x power n formula, n x power n minus 1 formula can be applied. Okay, n x power n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1 na 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2 power வந்து n place la irukra 2 முன்னாடி வந்துரும், 2 minus 1 போட்டா 1. So the answer for x square is 2x. Now the required values can be applied in the formula. Okay, quotient rule la formula la apply பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, now let us continue with this numerator. vu dash x square into cos x minus uv dash sin x into 2x. So 2x sin x divided by denominator square. What is denominator? X square, already 1 square, so x square the whole square. Okay, now simplify this. Numerator lende we can take x common out. So x cos x, or x வெளிய வந்துச்சுனா ஒரு x இருக்கும், cos x இருக்கும், minus 2 sin x will remain in the next term. Denominator la this is x power 4, inner power outer power if you multiply you will get x power 4. So if you cancel this x and x power 4, you will get x cos x minus 2 sin x divided by x cube. This is the answer. Okay. Do you understand this? Yes. Let us move to the next question now. Look here children. Here we have the question in product form. First function is tan theta. Second function is sin theta plus cos theta. So we have two different functions. Treat this as u and this entire function as v. Okay, u v whole dash. So we can apply product rule here. Product rule na we know that u v the whole dash is equal to vu dash plus uv dash. Quotient rule la inga minus varum, fraction la varum. Product rule la ivladhaan. What is u? U is equal to tan theta. Function tan theta is called u, and what is v? V is equal to sin theta plus cos theta. Okay. Now differentiation of u is u dash. Answer is secant square. V differentiation is v dash. Sin theta இது தனித்தனியா பண்ணிக்கலாம், இங்க product rule வராது. These two are individual terms, so we can differentiate it separately. Sin theta differentiation is cos theta. Cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. இங்க plus இருக்கிறதால இங்க minus sin theta டைரக்டா எழுதிக்கலாம். Suppose இங்க minus இருந்தா minus and minus plus ஆயிட்டா answer வரும். Okay, direct answer is given here, and this answer you are going to apply in this product rule. Left hand side of your question can be dy by dx because differentiate with respect to x. V u dash, what is v? Sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta. V u dash is secant square plus u v dash. U v dash na tan theta into cos theta minus sin theta. How we are going to simplify this? This can be written as 1 by cos square sin into 1 by cos square, like that. Sin theta plus cos theta into 1 by cos square theta. secant square is nothing but 1 by cos square plus tan theta is sin theta by cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta. This simple fractions remain same. This tan secant alone we are converting into fraction form. Now you can multiply this and this. 1 into sin by cos square, sin theta by cos square theta, plus cos into 1 by cos square, plus here sin theta into cos theta by cos theta, minus sin square theta by cos theta. Is it clear? Now what you are going to do, wherever possible to cancel, that can be cancelled. Here cos theta cancelled, here also cos cancelled. So if you cancel this cos, you get just cos as the denominator. Okay, 1 by cos is secant. This term 1 by cos is secant, and here this is what pa? Just tan theta, sin theta, secant theta plus sin theta. And here we have two different functions. So we have one small adjustment, children. That is nothing but here we have the denominator as 1 by cos, and here also we have the denominator as cos minus sin square by cos, and now this is just sin theta, and here sin by cos into 1 by cos. You can split this cos square pa, sin by 1 cos அப்படியே போட்டுக்கோங்க into 1 by cos அப்படி போடலாம். Okay, if you split this denominator like this, 1 into sin, sin, cos into cos, cos square. See, simplify பண்ணுறது வந்து நம்மளோட choice தான் அது. To get our book answer, we are doing the work like this. Okay. See, since the denominators are same, you can join the numerators for these first two terms. 1 minus sin square by cos plus this sin theta will remain as it is, plus sin theta by cos theta is tan theta into 1 by cos theta is secant theta. Okay, now we know that the formula trigonometric identity 1 minus sin square is cos square by cos this sin theta, and this tan theta into secant theta will remain as it is. If you cancel this, you will get cos theta alone as the first term, sin theta will remain as it is, the last term also will remain as it is, and this is the answer for this problem. Is there any doubt? Is it clear? Yes. See children, this is question number 13. Here also you are asked to differentiate this with respect to x, because the right hand side independent variable is x. Okay, so here we have two different functions in product, so you can apply product rule. Taking product rule here, uv the whole dash equal to v u dash minus u v dash. Here u is the first function minus next v is the second function, that is cot x. Okay, product rule we have plus, this is uv the whole dash equal to v u dash plus u v dash. If it is quotient rule, minus will come and denominator v square will come. Since it is product rule, plus will come. Okay, u is the first function, v is the second function. We are going to differentiate this u dash. Cosecant x, differentiation of cosecant is minus cosecant x cot x. V dash, cot x differentiation is minus cosecant square x. Okay, va? So we are going to apply these respective values in this formula. For left hand side of y dy by dx, cosecant x cot x formula v u dash cot x into minus cosecant x cot x. Okay, cot x into minus cosecant x cot x. As per formula, plus will come, and u v dash, u is cosecant x, u is cosecant x, v dash is minus cosecant square x. Okay, and now what's the plan? Simplify. How we are going to simplify? In this is one term and this is another term. Okay, out of these two I am going to take minus cosecant common out, because we are having minus cosecant here. Here also we have minus cosecant. So let me take minus cosecant common out. So what will happen here? I will get cot square x. Cot into cot square x will come. Since we have taken minus out, we will get just a plus here. One cosecant outside, this cosecant outside, so we get cosecant square inside. That's all. And some more steps can be given to give the book back answer. What type of answer can be given? Minus 1 by sin x. Cosecant x is nothing but sin x. Cot square is cos square x by sin square x. This cot square can be written as cos square by sin square, plus cosecant square again 1 by sin square. If it is cosecant, 1 by sin. If it is cosecant square, 1 by sin square. Okay. Now since the denominators are same, here you can join the numerators. Minus 1 by sin will remain as it is. 1 plus cos square can be given as numerator, divided by sin square, denominator same, will come as it is. Okay, anything else to be simplified? Anna, nothing. You cannot move to the next step. So we'll stop the answer with this, and your answer is going to be what? Minus of 1 plus cos square. Minus of 1 into 1 plus cos square, 1 plus cos square, that's all. Minus of 1 plus cos square x divided by sin x into sin square, sin cube x, that's all. This is the answer, children. Dy by dx is equal to, this is the answer. Is there any doubt? Let us move to the next question now. Look here, children. This is question number 15. Here we have three different functions in product. So we are going to apply product rule only, but I am not going to show the formula for this. If there exist two functions in product, we can show the formula. In case of more than two functions, you need not show the formula and you can do the answer directly, and you try to give the answer correctly. Okay. Out of these three functions, first you differentiate this. Keep these two functions as it is. Put plus and differentiate the second function. Keep the other two functions as it is. Put plus, then differentiate the third term and keep the remaining two terms as it is. Okay, va? So every time only one function only you are going to differentiate, and you should keep the remaining other functions as it is. Okay, let us continue. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx. I am going to differentiate x initially, keeping sin x and cos x as it is. Put plus x and cos x as it is. Differentiate sin. Second function, keeping x and cos x, sin x as it is. Differentiate the third function. First differentiation of x 1. We know that differentiation of x is 1. Second time I told you to keep first function, third function as it is. Differentiate sin. Differentiation of sin is cos. First and third function kept as it is. Differentiate the second function sin x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Okay, and in the third term, keeping first two functions as it is, differentiating the last function cos x minus sin x. Here you should write minus sin x. Now we are going to simplify this. This is sin x into cos x. This is x cos square x, and this is minus. Plus into minus, minus, you will get minus here. Minus x sin square x. Avoid overwriting, write fresh answer like this. Okay. So what is going to be our answer? Out of these two functions, x can be taken common out, keeping sin x and cos x as it is. Okay, sin x into cos x will remain as it is. Out of these two functions, this x can be taken common out, and so what will be the answer inside the bracket? Cos square minus sin square. Okay, we know the trigonometric identity for this. The first two functions will remain as it is. X also will remain as it is. Cos square minus sin square is cos 2x. Trigonometric identity you try to recall, and that's all. This is the answer for this question number 15. Is there any doubt? Whenever you get more than two functions as a product function, then you should follow this procedure only. First term பண்ணும்போது first function differentiate பண்ணுங்க, second term பண்ணும்போது second function differentiate பண்ணிக்கோ, third term பண்ணும்போது third function differentiate பண்ணுங்க. அப்படி ஒரு function differentiate பண்ணும்போது மீதி இருக்க function அப்படியே வெச்சுக்கோங்க. This is the concept. Okay, let us move to the next question. This is question number 16. Here also two functions are in product, and you have some extra work, that is nothing but chain rule. One is chain rule only, I didn't give you. Let us continue this now. Again these two functions are in product, so application of product rule. uv the whole dash equal to v u dash plus uv dash. Here u is e power minus x and v is log x. U dash is equal to e power x. Formula in differentiation is e power x only, but we have what? E power minus x here. Minus x na x மட்டும் இருந்தா இந்த formula அப்படியே நின்றும். other than x இருந்துச்சுனா அதை வந்து continue பண்ணணும், chain rule அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Continue by using chain rule and put one dot product la இதை differentiate பண்ணி இங்க எழுதணும். Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of minus x is minus 1. Okay, இது மாதிரி இங்க e power x xாவே இருந்துச்சுனா no problem, that's all, problem over, formula over. Other than x, if you get some other function as the power for e, then it should be differentiated by using chain rule. x தவிர வேற ஏதாச்சும் இருந்ததுனா அது chain rule proceed பண்ணணும். chain rule proceed பண்ணா இங்க ஒரு product function காமிச்சிட்டு அது பக்கத்துல differentiate பண்ணி multiplicationல எழுதணும். Okay va? So this is the new concept, and so the answer is minus e power minus x. Okay, coming to this part, we know that the formula for log x is 1 by x. Log x formula is 1 by x. Okay, now we are going to apply these values in this product rule. Writing this left hand side as dy by dx. v u dash, v, what is v? Log x, u dash minus e power minus x. Log x into minus e power minus x. Put plus as per the formula u v dash, u e power minus x into v dash, what is v dash? 1 by x. See, this is one function term and this is another term. In these two terms we have e power x minus x, same function, so it should be taken out. E power minus x taken out. So what are the inner terms? This is minus log x and this is plus 1 by x. That's all. And if you want, you can give one more step. E power minus x, positive term in front, negative term at the back. This is the way to give the answer for this question. Is it clear, everybody? Is there any doubt?